Hi everybody, Wagwan. If you are new here, a very special welcome to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to click the bell so you can know when I upload a new video. And if you are a returning resident, a very special welcome to you as well. So I'm super excited about today's video because I really love pear and I love guacamole. And I just thought, you know what, let's do a video on it. And also I went ahead and did some chips in this video, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made that combination. Also, this is something that my niece really enjoyed, so this is a really cool way to get your children, if you have problems with them eating vegetables in any way, shape or form, getting them to eat vegetables like tomatoes and onions and sweet peppers and that kind of thing, just throwing them all in there and just getting them to eat their veggies, guys. So without further ado, follow back on me. So in this video, you're definitely going to need a pear or avocado if that's what you call it in your country. Then I used 1 tomato, about 1/4 of an onion, 1 lime, or you can use lemon as well, salt to taste, and also a little cayenne pepper. So after I de-seeded my pear, I went ahead and I cut it up into small cubes and just placed them in a dish. And the next step was to add some lime to it. And this is just to make sure that, you know, the pear stays nice and green, you know, looking just bright, and it doesn't begin to get discolored. So the next step is to cut up all your veggies. Now you can use whatever vegetables you like, so you can add some cilantro to this, some parsley, or whatever kind of herbs you like and stuff like that. And some sweet pepper too would be really nice in this recipe. So whatever veggies you do add, you want to make sure that you're cutting them as fine as you possibly can, so that they don't overpower the taste of the actual guacamole. Alright, so right here is not a completely new lime. It's the same lime, I'm just squeezing out whatever was left of it. So I still only use 1 lime in the recipe. Then you're gonna go ahead and mix well. added a little more salt because when I tasted it, it wasn't, you know, up to my standards. So you can do that. Just taste it as you go along. It'd be really hard to give a specific salt amount because every pear size is different and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and eat this right away. However, I went ahead and refrigerated mine while I made the chips. Alright, so next we're moving on to the chips. So in order to make the chips, I use some tortillas. So any brand will do, any kind of flour tortillas. You can bake corn tortillas, whatever you choose to make. I have a little cayenne pepper and a little bit of salt as well. And of course, you're going to need some oil too. So at this point, I went ahead and combined the salt and the cayenne pepper and just give it a good mix. And this was just so it could be applied easily. This is no rule of thumb. I mean, you can apply it separately if you choose. So this step is completely optional as well, guys. I'm just adding some scallions on top, and I'm also going to just add some sesame seeds for some additional nutritional value, and you know, just so I can take my pictures. You like it? It's so yummy, right?
I never taste anything like this.
So as you can tell from the review, this recipe was absolutely amazing. Feel free to comment below letting me know what are some interesting ways that you get your children to eat their vegetables. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also check out the videos that are popping up on the right hand corner of your screen right now. As always, at the corner of happy and healthy is where you want to be. See you in the next one, guys. Bye!